Lehigh River. Home to many fish. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ty, and we're down in the Lehigh River, and the water is kind of murky today, right? What I want you to know is that the fish do bite when the water is brown and murky, but the thing is, they bite on dark colors. You want to use like dark blue, black, any dark lures you have. You don't want to go bright when the water is murky. You go bright when the water is nice and clear. So the fish are here and they're biting. As you can see how brown and murky the water is, you want to go with a dark color. Got that? As a matter of fact, let me show you. Got my line tangled a little bit. Untangle it. Okay, here we go. First cast. Hopefully we get a bite. There we go, guys. Fish on. That was quick. The lure I'm using is a Kitech 3-inch Easy Shiner. And as you can see, oh, I lost it. There's fish in here and they're biting, but you just sometimes you gotta have like a little tip, little advice on what to use during what days, cloudy days, bright days. You know what I'm saying? That felt like a nice fish too. Such a shame. Darn it. Wish I can pull that up for you guys. But unfortunately, that's one of the many that got away. Here's another fish, guys. Ooh, this one's a doozy. Oh yeah, that's a pretty nice fish. I don't know if it's the current or if it's a good sized fish, but it feels pretty good. Oh wow, look at that folly. What a lunker for a fall fish. Oh, that's a big one. Can you guys see this guy? Whew. Look at the size of this thing. I don't know if you can see it, but whoa. My friends, for a fall fish, this is a pretty good size. Keep in mind the lure I'm using is 3 inches, so just a little size comparison. It's a very nice fish, man. I'm gonna let him go. Okay, okay guys, I got free from the snag. My lucky day, woohoo! Oh, fish on. What is this? Don't tell me another one of those follies. Pretty decent. I'll take it, I'm not picky. Doesn't feel like a bass though. Here's these guys again. Oh my God. Why do you keep messing with me? It's supposed to be a bass video, man. Don't tell me it's the same fish. It's definitely not the same fish, but hooked them in the same spot. He jumped at the last second, just as I was unhooking him. Guys, make sure you get a good grip. Or lippy, just like a bass. Let him go. Gotta step out a little bit. Oh, that's not small. Oh, there's a bass. Looking for a bass all day, and then you get a tiny one. Not bad, not bad, but it's a bass. What I've been looking for. Yeah, not bad at all. Been looking for you. Ooh. He's barely hooked, guys. He's barely hooked. Look how tiny this guy is. I feel bad. We try to unhook him as fast as possible. There we go. He unhooked himself. Later, buddy. That's definitely a fish, huh? I thought I was snake. Is this one of those fall fish again? I'ma choke it. I'ma choke it. Oh, lucky it's a bass, boy. Almost had to choke a fish. Nice little smallie. Let me unhook it. Nothing too serious, but beautiful fish, no matter how you look at it.